Hello learners, I am Professor Kamalika Banerjee of Indira Gandhi National Open University in the School of Sciences. Today, I will introduce you to the salient features of the Master of Science Chemistry program, which has the program code MSc Chem. Now, let us come to the objectives of the program. It really gives you an exposure to fundamental principles and advanced concepts of various domains of chemistry, the organic, inorganic, physical, analytical and of course, the interdisciplinary areas. Also, you will be able to give the innovative solutions to complex chemical problems. Also, it provides the hands-on experience in designing and conducting chemical experiments and interpreting chemical results from the experiments. The learners will be encouraged for lifelong learning and they will be equipped with the knowledge and skill sets that are needed for the fast changing trends in the field of chemistry throughout their careers. The learners will also be provided the opportunities in building, upgrading their careers in teaching, research and industry. Now, let us come to the details of the program. Minimum duration will be 2 years and maximum 4 years and the medium of instruction is English. Total 80 credits one has to do and the admission cycle is both in July and January cycle. The registration is annual. The examination details are the following. The term end exam, the TEE for the first and second semesters will be held 1 year after admission and then after every 6 months. The course material will be self-learning material or SLM and you can download them from EGNOU and also get it in the print form. Eligibility for the learners will be graduates with BSc, both major and honors degree in chemistry from a recognized university. Next, the graduates with a BSc degree or equivalent from a recognized university with chemistry as one of the 3 science subjects with equal weightage. Please note that. Then lastly, the graduates with a BSc degree from an open university with a minimum of 20 credits of chemistry courses. The program has 23 compulsory courses and 3 elective courses: inorganic, organic, physical, green chemistry, analytical chemistry, chemistry of materials, environmental chemistry, supramolecular chemistry, spectroscopy. All these are some of the courses in the program. It has laboratory component, it has theoretical papers like inorganic, organic, physical chemistry, spectroscopy, analytical chemistry and also interdisciplinary perspectives through courses on green chemistry, chemistry of materials, supramolecular chemistry. It provides a strong foundation of fundamental and advanced aspects of chemistry and their applications in industry and research. In the first year, apart from the single papers of inorganic, organic, physical chemistry, there is optional papers of mathematics for chemists and biology for chemists. The aim is that those who have not studied mathematics in 11, 12 or graduation, they can take up mathematics for chemists to brush up their knowledge in mathematics, which is needed for successfully completing this MSc chemistry program. Then biology for chemists, why is it there? For those who have not studied biology in the 11th and 12th or in the graduation, so that they can brush up their biology, because that is needed for many of the topics of the organic chemistry as well as bioinorganic chemistry, etc. Then there are the 3 lab components of first semester, and in the second semester of the first year, there are again single papers of inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry, as well as a very interesting quantum chemistry and group theory course for the physical chemistry part. Then there is green chemistry, which is interdisciplinary, and then there are 3 labs in the second semester of the first year also. In the second year, there are courses like atomic and molecular spectroscopy, basically physical chemistry, then chemistry of materials, which is again an interdisciplinary area, then separation and spectroscopic methods, which is analytical chemistry. Then there are labs of separation and spectroscopic methods and environmental chemistry lab, and there is also an interdisciplinary environmental chemistry theoretical paper. In the second year, fourth semester, there is introduction to research, one course, and then electroanalytical and other analytical methods theory course. Then there is a lab course associated with it. Then there is spectroscopic identification of organic compounds, then supramolecular chemistry and advanced kinetics and electrochemistry. These are the MCHE 012, 13 and 15. These are the elective papers. As for now, these 3 elective papers are being offered. Later we may offer more, but at present these are there. Then you must know about the extensive learner support services that we have here in IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. There is face-to-face as well as online academic counseling for courses by experienced academic counselors at the learner support centers or the study centers that you are assigned to. Then you will be performing experiments during conduct of lab courses at the learner support centers or the study centers under the guidance of experienced academic counselors. Also, counseling sessions through electronic media such as IRC, which is the interactive radio counseling, then teleconferencing, Gyan Darshan, all these will be held. Last but not the least is that your course materials will be available in digital form at digital platforms such as eGyan and WEAS, web enabled academic support, which is there in the website of IGNOU. Now, let us understand how many theory counseling sessions and lab counseling sessions will be held and how the exams are held. What is the marking process? See, theory counseling, for that each of all theory courses will have at least 4 to 5 counseling sessions, and each of them will be 2 hours for a 4 credit theory course. And then for a 2 credit theory course, you will have 2 to 3 counseling sessions. Regarding the lab counseling, for a 2 credit lab course at the Learner Study Center, you will be having 7 days of lab course, and out of that 2 sessions of 4 hours each will be there. Now, learners, you should remember that all these practical sessions are compulsory. You have to go and attend those in your study centers, and you have to give the test also, the unguided experiment also. These are not carried out online in chemistry. You have to go to your respective assigned study center in order to successfully complete your laboratory courses. So, in the 14th session, that is on the 7th day, you would be required to perform an experiment assigned to you by the counselor on your own, and that is the unguided experiment, and you would be evaluated and account for the remaining 30%. So, 70% is continuous evaluation and 30% is the unguided experiment and the viva you will have at the study center, that is for the 30% of the marks for the practical courses. So, you must perform all the experiments to be able to secure maximum marks. So, this is all the salient features about the MSc chemistry program, the master's program in chemistry. So, for further information, you can contact the Director School of Sciences as well as the program coordinators of this program. The address, email address and phone numbers are shown on the screen. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join the MSc chemistry program at IGNOU.